Hello guys, we're back again in our tutorial, our Medcart CMMS tutorial. So for today, we will learn how to use the clinic users. The last time, our last video is the user of admin. So today we will learn about our clinics. So as you can see here, we are already in a login page again. So the last time we used admin, but today we will use the clinic username and passwords. So let's do it. So just type the username and the password. So let's sign in. Okay, as you observe, we already only have a three widget here in our dashboard. We have the new sent request, pending request, and the request completed. This is for the clinic one only. So also, as you can see also at the left side, we have a limited menus only. So we have only the dashboard, the new item listing, my requests, clinic inventory, patient records, change password, and our log off, our exit. So today, as you can see here again, the new sent request, it stands for if you request a new item to the central store or to admin, storekeeper, it will count here. So as soon as the storekeeper will accept it, it will be pending request. So the storekeeper, after he confirms it and finish it, it will become a request completed. So this is our dashboard and the functions. So let's go to our first menu, the dashboard. So the same, we have the same dashboard before. So the next thing is the new item listing. As we can see here, there's no records found yet. So let's try to add one. So this is our form for item listing. This new item listing, it stands for if you have a new item that you like to suggest to the storekeeper or to our admin, just put inside of it. Or for example, the item description, let's say new item and part number and serial number. Yes, applicable. So our remarks added by clinic one. So we are the clinic one. And we have the status. It is read only, so it is automatically it is a new item. So we add. Now we have already in our grid the item code, the description, and the remarks and status. Now it is suggesting to our central store, storekeeper, or our admin. So our next menu is our my request. We have no request yet, so we will make it today so that you can see how we can send a request from central store. So as you can see here, there's a blank and we have the reload, the quick search again, and add for the central store request. So let's make a request. As you can see at our form, we have already the generated request ID, the date and time, and our item. So all of these are inside in our central store. So for example, we will request a syringe 1 ml and automatically it will tell you what is the current quantity in our store. So it will let you know how much, how many it is remaining. So as you can see, also we have all again the edit. So if we have a would like to add a new item, we just click the new item, and just like in our new item listing, it will tell you this, the same as the new item listing. So let's go back. So let's say it is a 1 ml syringe, and tell you how much the remaining and how many quantity you would like. So let's say 2 pieces, and request by, let's say, my name, done, and automatically the status is we have the new request. So before that, we will observe the dashboard. We have no request yet. So when we generated this one, it will tell you have a 1 cent request. So let's do it, and we add. And now we have generated a one request. So we have the date and time, the item, how many, the quantity you'd like to request, and who requested it, and approve. The status. We have also the refined search also here in our left side. So new request. So at the dashboard, we will look if the dashboard is changed. Now we have one request already. Okay. So let's go back to my request. So as soon as we generated one request, the storekeeper or the admin will receive our request. So let's see our admin or our storekeeper. We have a new request, a 1 ml siren. So let's see the single request. Let's go down. Now we have the storekeeper already received our new request. So what did the storekeeper do? What will the storekeeper will do? He will click the function key here, and he will check. Now it's telling the store remaining stocks and also your stock. You have 100 in your clinic. So we just make it pending. As you can see also in our pending dashboard before, we have 0 pending. So if we make this pending, the new item request will be 0 and the pending will be 1. So let's see. Okay, now it's pending. So let's go back to our clinic. Now it's pending. We have a pending request already. Now, how can we make the pending request to be completed? Also, again, the storekeeper or the admin will control also, because our admin or our storekeeper is the most powerful or our main user to our system. So let's go. Let's go back again to single request, and let's make our request to be completed. So we just click our complete the request, and if we have a signature for verification, so let's say have a sign, and let's say now it's closed and it's scanned. So let's go back to our clinic if it's completed already. And 0, and we have already 2 requests completed. Now it's good. We have already our additional for the 1 ml. Have now the 102. So my request, it's now blank because it is completed already. So let's go to our next menu, the clinic inventory. The clinic inventory, you can see here that you can see your remaining stocks, and also the if you would like to request a new stocks again for this ML syringe. It's like a shortcut key. We just request stocks, and now we have a auto-generated request code and the date. Also, if you observe, we have no item here because we already have the grid of this ML syringe. So it is the row, which is the row here, 1 ml syringe. So automatically you know already the items and how many the quantity you like, who requested it, and the status is auto-generated. Item is auto-generated. So let's go back. We have also the refined search at the left side, the category. So let's see the dental category. We have this one. Okay, so the next menu is our patient records. The patient records, we can see the grid that is used by our patient. So how can we do it? So we'll just add the patient name. For example, we have already, as you can see here, we have already the patient ID and the patient name. So if we add a new patient, or if we repeat again the patient, it will automatically auto-fill the patient name. So no need to type. So, but take note, if we already saved the first ID, the patient ID, it will automatically generated because we have already here a record. So, but if we have a new patient, it will not auto generated. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing. But if we go 0, this one, it will auto generated. Okay. After we add a patient, let's say this is the patient already. The status is automatically pending. So as you can see, the one column here, the use items, we can add what is the patient's use, but this one is already add syringe. So maybe we will just make a new one. So we will add new. Let's say it's me again. Auto-generated name, and we add. And now we have the use 5. So we click the use items, and we will tell what the patient needs. So we have only ml syringe because this is our only stocks. But if we request another items, it will be multiple stocks that you will choose. So let's say this 1 ml syringe, and we will. But as you can see, it has a error. What happened? So this indicates you that we have one field that it must be negative. Invalid data, it says. So let's say, let's try negative 2. We use 2 pieces of the syringe. So let's confirm. Now it's good. So after we already input the item, just exit, and as you can see here, we have a link. Link stands for what is the patient already have. So this one, if we click, this is already used. Okay, so Lastly, we have the change password. If you would like to change your old password, and this is our exit button. I think this is all the clinic user menus function. So I think you have it all, guys. Thank you so much.